Welcome back to Wicked F-150. So today, as you can see, it is a different vehicle. It is a 2015 Carrera Wrangler Unlimited, of course, because it's the four-door, and it got new running boards today. So these are the HDX Extreme, and obviously the install is already done, but I'm going to show you how to do it because going through the directions, it was a pain in the ass, and I will show you why. So up under here, if you can see the bracket. So this is one bracket, this is another bracket. One bracket, another bracket, same on the end. There's two different brackets that you got to use for all three mount points on the Jeep on both sides, driver and passenger. And on these Westin HDX Extreme boards, which do actually really nice. Like, they are completely steel. They are hard as hell. They do have a little weight to them, and the drop step is really nice. But for these, it's kind of like a puzzle to put them together, and the instructions kind of suck as to how they go together. The pictures that the instructions have are from the underneath side facing outward, which is the first weird part. Second, they only show pictures of the front and center mounts. They do not show a picture of the rear mount. I'm not sure if that's because the instructions are for two-door and four-door, but either way, they only have pictures of the front and center mount, so you kind of just have to figure out the rear mount yourself. Now, with these, the bracket that mounts, this bracket mounts to your pinch weld itself, and the mount that comes up underneath that then mounts to the board. Those fit together a certain way. If you can see the cutout right here, they only go with each other. This mount will not fit on the center mount. This mount will not fit on the rear or front mount. So you have to have them lined up perfectly to be able to get them on correctly. Now, also confusing, which would be kind of a common sense thing, the mount that goes from the running board itself to the frame that comes up, this tab facing forward, this tab facing forward, rear tab facing rear. So that you would, like I said, figuring out it like a puzzle, you would face it forward, but yeah, it doesn't work like that. So it was kind of a complicated install, but figured it out, and it does look really good. It's very durable. The only other issue is this front. So these, the center and rear, they connect right here on this bracket. They have this L that bolts into the running boards, okay? The front does not. It is a straight bracket that then bolts into the holes there on, of course, the other side. So you can see the bolts. Now, that is a pain in the ass. If you can see this little hole, it is so difficult to get your hand in there to tighten the rear bolt. There's two of them, and that back bolt back there, it is a pain in the ass to get in, to get your hand in there. So Westin needs to probably work on that aspect of it as well. So instructions and this piece here connecting that, Westin really needs to rethink that process. But other than that, they are very nice. They are very sturdy. As you can see, they look amazing. Both steps, of course, do have the letter and the branding, and the branding there that is riveted into it. On this Jeep, of course, you can still see the pinch weld and the bolts that hold the top bracket to the frame itself, if that's an issue for anybody that would be thinking about getting these. But again, this is the Westin HDX Extreme running boards for a 2006 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler, 2 or 4-door. Hope you guys enjoyed the kind of a different video, and have a great week. See y'all later.